So I just learned about OpenSERDES, and it's like the magic wand of high-speed communication. Can you believe it converts parallel data to a serial stream?
Wait, what? That's wild. How does it even do that? I mean, I get data transmission is crucial, but this feels like tech wizardry.
Right? It actually uses a global clock signal to sequence everything. It's fascinating how essential timing is in technology.
Exactly. And they're using LVDS for high speed, right? That makes me think about how different technologies really can define performance.
Oh, totally. And the fact that they're implementing this in the Skywater Open PDK 130nm process is even more intriguing.
Skywater is great for accessible chip design. But hold on, are you saying they're synthesizing everything in Verilog HDL?
Yes, they're coding the serializer and deserializer blocks in Verilog and then using OpenLane for synthesis. I feel like that opens up a whole world.
Wow. And with simulation results and all those GDS and SPICE files, they're laying the groundwork for real-world applications.
Exactly. It's like building a digital city, piece by piece. But do you realize how crucial a robust TX driver is for all of this?
Oh, for sure. They use a chain of CMOS inverters. That's such a clever way to handle the input capacitance.
Right? It's a simple but effective solution. Makes you think about how practicality plays into design.
Totally. And then there's the receiver design, using a resistive feedback inverter as the sensing element. It's so smart.
I know. That helps with low amplitude signals, which is key for reliable data transmission. It's like having an amplifier that really understands the signal.
Exactly, and sampling with a DFF, that's such a fundamental concept, but so crucial here.
Right, and this master-slave DFF being implemented with NAND logic, it's just fascinating architecture.
But what's even more intriguing is how they use oversampling CDR to recover both data and clock.
Oh wow, I hadn't thought of it that way. They're literally tuning the clock frequency based on the received signal's transitions.
That's genius. It's like the system is learning to adapt in real time. It's making me rethink how we perceive smart technology.
Exactly. And all these components working together, it's a prime example of how interconnected modern electronics are.
For real, it truly feels like each piece is a character in this complex narrative of data transmission.
And think about how this impacts our daily lives. Faster communication means faster everything.
Right? Imagine all the applications, from smartphones to autonomous vehicles, relying heavily on this tech blend.
It gives me chills thinking about how foundational this is to the future. Makes you wonder what's next.
Totally. This whole synthesis process and the tools they're using, it's all about democratizing technology.
And that changes everything. More people can innovate and create, which is so powerful.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that technology really is for everyone, and anyone can contribute.
It's like a digital renaissance. So what do you think will be the next big leap in this space?
Maybe integrating AI more deeply with these technologies could lead to smarter communication systems.
Oh, that would be mind-blowing. Imagine AI optimizing data flows in real time. What a game changer.
Exactly. But wait, what if instead of just optimizing, the AI could predict data needs before they even arise?
Now that's a cool thought. Predictive data handling could revolutionize the way we think of bandwidth.
Right? And every little advancement like this builds on each other. It's such an exciting trajectory.
This whole conversation about the interconnectedness of these technologies makes me appreciate them even more.
Same here. Learning the depths of what's possible really opens your eyes to the future, doesn't it?
Totally. And you know, it's these foundational pieces that often get overlooked, but they're so vital.
Exactly. So if we look at everything we've discussed, it all ties back to innovation stemming from simplicity.
Yes. And that simplicity leads to sophisticated solutions. So brilliant how tech evolves that way.
I love that perspective. It leaves me with this hopeful feeling about where we're headed.
Same. It makes you wonder, what incredible tech breakthroughs are just around the corner?
Exactly. I'm definitely keeping an eye out for how these concepts evolve in the coming years.
Me too. So much potential, so little time. I really appreciate this deep dive with you.
Likewise. I mean, who knew data serialization could spark such excitement? This was amazing.
Right? And we barely scratched the surface. Can't wait for the next round of discoveries.